Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. कल यूएस बॉन्ड yield spiked to a 3.5-month high, जिसके कारण dollar index and dollar against other currencies got some support and US stock markets sold off. So एक risk off environment आज भी continue कर रहा है in Asian equity markets as well. डॉलर रूपी 80 to 80 के आसपास ट्रेड कर रहा है. Before we come to the price levels on USDINR, just a little bit about the economic data that came out last night. कल यूरोप और यूएस से जो फ्लैश PMIs आया, which basically gives us a hint as to how the manufacturing and services sector is doing. That was a mixed bag. Mixed bag इसके लिए the services sector is doing quite well in Europe, both in UK and mainland Europe. But manufacturing sector जो है, that is still a spot of worry. But the market focused on the services part, and जिसके कारण we saw a big rally in GBP against all the currencies, USD, INR, etc. Euro was relatively flat. और US का जो PMI था, that was also better than expectation. Just coming back to we saw on the US bond deals. Now coming back to USDINR. USDINR का range 82.5, 82.90, max 83 is still intact. Now when a market is in a range, there are a couple of strategies which we can do, which we have already highlighted over the past 1 week or so. That is scalping. मतलब अब you wait for the range extremes जैसे 83 के आसपास या 82.50 के आसपास, then you take a counter trade. So 82.50 के आसपास you can go long with a small stop, or 83 के आसपास you can go short with a small stop. But remember, stop losses are important and position sizes has to be managed well. दूसरा है कि as long as this range is intact, you can look to short straddles or strangles, especially intraday, क्योंकि intraday में अगर in case breakout और या breakdown भी हुआ, you can manage that risk. आपको अगर पोजिशनल करना है तो देन इट इज़ बेटर टू फोकस ऑन आयरन फ्लाई, क्योंकि वो हेज्ड है एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो विथस्टैंड फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट्स और ब्रेकडाउन्स, जो स्ट्रैडल और स्ट्रैंगल्स कैन नॉट, बिकॉज उसमें स्टॉप लॉस विल बी हिट. So these are the couple of trades which you can do. Now, if you want to do positional bet, let's say if you want to bet that the USDINR is going to finally break out in the month of March, क्योंकि March has been historically a very volatile month compared to Feb. And Feb, we have seen low volatility till date. So अगर ये low volatility continue करता है, then the probability of volatility increasing in March is high. And it's also a financial year end. तो वहाँ पे if you are going to bet that USDINR is going to finally break out towards 84, or somebody wants to bet that USDINR is going to break down below 82, then one way to bet that low cost way is through a butterfly. But keep two things in mind in a butterfly. First, butterfly makes money close to expiry, so you have to hold that trade close to expiry. So if you have to do a positional trade of like more than 4 weeks. Secondly is that butterfly makes money when your expectation of a breakout is within your expectation of the range, क्योंकि you are selling two out of money options, OTMs. तो इसके लिए your expectation of a breakout but within a range is very important. अगर बहुत बड़ा मूव हो जाता है अपसाइड या डाउनसाइड में बियॉन्ड योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, then you may not make any money. So keep that in mind with a butterfly trade. Coming to cross currency, GBPINR will be well supported, so buy on dips. Euro INR, Yen INR will be largely range bound. आज Fed minutes is important. It's at night, around midnight, and then उसके साथ German IFO जो है during the day is going to impact the Euro INR. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.